Thank you very much for doing what you do to help us all stay a little bit safer. We appreciate you.
Thank you, helpers. Thank you, hospital workers, for taking care of our sick people.
Thank you. We appreciate you.
Thank you, healthcare providers, for the compassionate care you provide to your patients.
To all of our medical professionals, first responders, and to all those who are working behind the scenes to help keep us safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you, healthcare workers and first responders. We appreciate you.
Thank you, healthcare workers. We wouldn't be in this fight without you.
A million thanks to our current students and alumni for all those fighting COVID-19. We promise to stay home so that you can get home to the ones you love.
Muchas gracias.
To all of our healthcare workers helping to fight the COVID-19 pandemic, thank you so much for all of the work that you are doing.
We cannot thank you enough for everything that you are doing. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.